Let's learn pet names. Cow, this is a cow. Cow, this is a cow. Goat, this is a goat. Goat, this is a goat. Cat, this is a cat. Cat, this is a cat. Donkey, this is a donkey. Donkey, this is a donkey. Puppy, this is a puppy. Puppy, this is a puppy. Camel, this is a camel. Camel, this is a camel. Kitten, this is a kitten. Kitten, this is a kitten. Rabbit, this is a rabbit. Rabbit, this is a rabbit. Parrot, this is a parrot. Parrot, this is a parrot. Fish, this is a fish. Fish, this is a fish. Rooster, this is a rooster. Rooster, this is a rooster. Dog, this is a dog. Dog, this is a dog. Goldfish, this is a goldfish. Goldfish, this is a goldfish. Sheep, this is a sheep. Sheep, this is a sheep. Duck, this is a duck. Duck, this is a duck. Horse, this is a horse. Horse, this is a horse. Hen, this is a hen. Hen, this is a hen.